Yeah, we on the rise, press record, now play. AI tools got me glowing every day. Faceless grind, I'm paving my lane. Me 2 times, yeah, we changing the game. Elevate me to you, vibe is brand new. Built it from scratch, now we teaching you. Hit that sub, let the vision come true. This ain't just...
Okay, welcome in everybody. And before we get started, I just want to show y'all some simple ways that y'all can protect y'all live chats. A lot of y'all do deal with trolls that be saying a lot of hates messages and also being disrespectful and just spamming the chat with words you don't want to be showing up on your live stream. So this feature is going to help you with that, and I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to block certain words in your live chat. Okay, so we're going to go step by step so you can focus on your content and not the trolls that be trying to distract you. So what I want y'all to do is go to your YouTube studio. And the way that you can do that is by pressing on your channel icon to the right, your profile image. You're going to click it, and then you're going to go down to YouTube Studio. And then once you get to your YouTube Studio, what you want to do is go down to settings at the bottom left. If y'all follow my mouse, and give me just a moment, let me get this overlay off so y'all can see better. Okay, so it's down here at the on the bottom left. And once you click it, a dialog box is going to pop up. And when you get here, you want to go to your community moderation. And then you just want to scroll down to block words. Now you can put in any words that you think that you don't want in your chat. You want to put in also words that they normally use in your chat. Also, if you are not able to come up with those words on your own, you can review some of your past streams. Well, if you block them, you probably won't be able to see it. So what you can also do is use ChatGPT, and it can assist you with some letting you know the type of content that you do and what type of restrictions or things that you don't like in your chat. And then it can come up with some block words for you. Also, another thing you want to do is keep in mind of the different ways that they type the word, and you probably want to do that for each one. Okay, so one of the sometimes they'll try to abbreviate it. So if we're thinking about the N word, right? And you know how they come in and they put the N and then they put the I and then the G. So you want to put each one of those letters in there, and then you want to put it in the with the whole word. And then also what you can do to give you a little bit more power over your chat is putting in the different phrases that they use. Okay. And once you do that, you have and that's pretty much it. Now also, and you want to save it. Okay, so another thing that you can do too, because a lot of people are using Nightbot or either StreamElements, and they also have that feature where you can add block words. So let me show y'all on Nightbot first. Okay, so once you get to Nightbot, and that's nightbot.tv, and you're just going to go to your dashboard. Once you get to your dashboard, you want to go under chat moderation to the left right here. And then once you click it, you have blacklist words and phrases, and you can do that with that. Also, you can do certain emojis. But you want to also keep in mind, you don't want to do all this at one time because it'd be blocking left and right. So you don't want to time out some of your loyal supporters. So another thing that you can do, I'm gonna jump back to the YouTube Studio. And when you get to YouTube Studio, you can go to settings, go back to community moderations. And then Also, right up under the block words, you want to make sure that you is it right here? Okay, so a lot if you don't want people putting in hashtags and URLs into your chat, because also it's not safe for your viewers to click different links because you're not knowing if that link is contaminated. So you want to put that so you can review those before you know, put your audience at risk. Another thing what you can do is give certain moderators or certain viewers permissions to do some of these things that may would get them blocked. They will be excused if you add them as a approved user. And the way you do that, you're just gonna paste the channel URL for that user. Okay. Another thing that you can do is to cut, like if you want to cut down on your trolls coming into your chat and typing in your chat. What I do, I leave mine on subscriber mode, and then I also, you can change the length of time that they are allowed to type after being a subscriber. I have mine on immediately, but you can turn it on for different amounts of time. Okay, so just so I can give you a quick walkthrough of how you turn on subscriber mode. If you're you can go to your live stream, just go to the live control room. You can either go to the live control room or you can do it up under edits, because that's where we're gonna go anyway. So I'm gonna click on edit, and then I'm gonna take my take this scroll bar, and you're gonna scroll all the way down, and then right where is, okay, so right here where it say comments and ratings, who can comment, select subscribers and members, and then you can put the amount of time that they have to wait after clicking the subscribe button. You can put any duration, which means as soon as they hit the button, they're able to type in your chat. You can make them wait 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. And I do apologize because that's for comments. Let me show y'all the right way of doing it. You're gonna go to customization, and you're gonna go down to live chat and participant modes. You're gonna hit subscribers, and then minimum subscribe time that they have to be. You can make it any duration: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. And then if these are not the length of time that you want them to wait, you can hit custom, and then custom will allow you to put in the duration by numeric, using a number, or plus you can change the units so it can measure it by minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or years. Okay, so those are the ways that you can customize your live chat. Also, while I'm here, let me tell you about this too. If your chat is moving too fast, what you can do is turn on message delay, and that's up under the customization tab, just all the way at the bottom. And you're gonna click on slow mode, and then you can put 60 seconds, 1 to 300 seconds. Okay. And then you just want to remember to click on save so it can save that information. Let me show you. Let me go back here. The Nightbot. So I showed y'all this is where you're going to put in those words. Also, I believe in Nightbot you can add approved users too. but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna leave that alone because I'm not too sure what that's at. Okay, so let's go for the people that use StreamElements. We're gonna go to StreamElements and do the same thing. And that's the way that you have all the protection that you need, or that you have available to you to catch some of that beforehand. Here you're gonna go to the left side of your dashboard and you have a menu. You're going to go down up under the chat box, and then you're going to click on the drop down arrow. It's going to open up more tabs, and then you're going to type in banded words, and then you can enable a filter status, and you can add word groups. So here, how you do that, you can hit the plus sign right here where it say create new group. You can put the group, and then you can put the time duration that they be timed out if they do one of those offenses. Okay, and then you're just gonna hit make sure that it's enabled, put your the group name. And then here is where you can exclude some users from being a violator of this. And you have the subscribers, you have regulars, you have VIP or no one. Here is where you can change the seconds that they will be timed out for. And also you can mark if you want to just warn them and delete the message, if you want to ban the user or delete the message or time them out. So you have those choices of picking that. And then if you want to, you can click, well, you kind of have to click the phrases. Well, you don't have to. You can put the phrases in here instead of just words, so you can actually catch some that that happen. Now, as if say that you have all this set up and then you're live and somebody sneak in and actually be able to type something in your chat and it's displayed, what you want to do is take note of how they wrote it and add that to your block list or your banded words. Okay, and that's pretty much it for now. And I hope everyone enjoyed this. If y'all have any questions, please reach out to me. If I don't know it, I can try to get the information from for you. Okay, so you have a wonderful day, and thank you.
Yeah. We on the rise, press record, now play. AI tools got me glowing every day. Faceless grind, I'm paving my lane. Me 2 times, yeah, we changing the game. Elevate me to you, vibe is brand new. Built it from scratch, now we teaching you. Hit that sub, let the vision come true. This ain't just